Today we're going to build an easy buy grid expert advisor in MetaTrader 5. This EA will automatically open buy trades every 50 points whenever the conditions are right. Let's get started. First, open the Meta editor by clicking the IDE icon in your MetaTrader terminal. Then click New, choose Expert Advisor template and hit Next. Give your EA a name. I'll call mine Buy Grid Strategy. You can choose whatever you like. Click Next, Next, and Finish. And now we're in the code editor. Go ahead and delete everything above the onTick function and also remove the comment lines at the bottom. We'll write everything from scratch. Let's start by including the trade library. This gives us access to a simplified trade class. Now we create an instance of the trade class. This trade object will allow us to open trades directly. Next, we declare an array to store our price data and a global variable to store the signal. Now, inside the onTick function, let's start by declaring a static variable. This variable remembers its value between ticks, which is useful for grid logic. Next, we get the current ask price. We normalize it to the correct number of digits based on the symbol. Then set the array so the most recent candles come first. Now load the latest 3 candles of data into the price array info. Now we generate the trading signal by calling our signal function. We only want to open a new buy trade if the price is above or equal to the next buy price and the signal is buy. Here we're placing a buy trade at the current ask price with a 50-point stop loss and a 300-point take profit. Then we update the next buy price to be 50 points higher, creating a grid effect. Finally, let's add a simple comment to the chart showing the ask price and the next buy level. Now let's define the check entry signal function below the onTick function. This checks if the most recent closed candle is bullish or bearish. If the candle closed above its open, then it's bullish, we want to buy. If the candle closed below its open, it's bearish, we set the signal to sell. Then return the signal string. Click compile at the top. If you followed along correctly, there should be no errors and no warnings. Now go back to MT5 and open the strategy tester by clicking view, strategy tester. Select the file that we just created. Make sure visual mode is enabled and start the test. You should now see your grid system opening trades on the chart every time a buy signal presents itself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.